What's going on, everyone? We're here at SEMA, and I'm with my good friend Eric, and we're talking about Garrett turbochargers. And from the looks of it, you guys have a couple models that even I don't know about, and I'm a turbo guy, so talk to me about them, Eric.
Well, yeah, we got some splendid stuff here this year at SEMA. A lot of horsepower displayed on the booth. We got 15,000 horsepower on display with our turbos and the cars that are there this year. So really a show of how much horsepower our turbos can make and the difference that they can make for our customers, for our racers, for our race enthusiasts that we have all over the world here. So really cool stuff like our G42 here, brand new, capable of up to 1500 horsepower. Very neat, 10% more flow than the previous generation. We got as well some nice GTX. And you know what? Well, great things happen for us as well. We are becoming an independent company now. And GTX has been our name for a lot of years in the performance arena. Now it's our stock ticker. Okay, so great stuff, great thing, great history that we're making here, using our performance names to be our stock ticker and invest even more into our business of performance and performance enthusiasts for the aftermarket world.
And from what I hear, you've got some OE support for some aftermarket upgrade intercoolers on some factory cars.
Yeah, well, yeah, we got some cool stuff as well on intercoolers. We have a very nice plant and very nice capabilities coming from our aerospace history background. And we are manufacturing those very neat intercoolers, which are drop-in intercoolers. So we've started with the Mustang 2.3, just introduced the Ford F-150, very neat. And the last one is the Subaru WRX 2-liter. And this is basically replacing heat with many horsepower. So that's quite interesting products that are very easy to fit and that are carbon-proof as well.
All right, Eric, thank you so much for letting us talk about turbos and intercoolers and radial cars. If anybody wants more information about anything you sell, where can they go?
GarrettMotion.com. That's the place where they'll find everything. Okay, so brand new site. They'll get all of our distributors' contact. GarrettMotion.com. That's the place to go.
All right, you heard it from Eric himself, and make sure to stay tuned here at Power Automedia for all of your SEMA updates.